Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you enable location in your Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to enable location, so as you can enable it. And guys, now how can you enable location in your Motorola phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to enable location. Then guys scroll and guys you can see this location setting. Tap here and guys you can see use location. So as you can enable your location from this right side. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable location. And guys you can see this notification. Location may use software like GPS, Wi-Fi, mobile network and sensors to help. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable location in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.